Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl back with another video, guys. And this video is all about this episode. I created it quick without knowing what you will be needing. You need a wig cap, like you place your wig cap and you go in with your pin, like to help you pin the cap down. When you're sewing, you won't have any problem, you know. And I got my 3 bundles of Brazilian hair extension, so, and I need my thread and some needles and scissors too. And that's the closure your guys using. I'm just using this closure to like close the black cap that I got down, you know. I just sew it down round, like all round through, and that was all about it, you know. I use a simple empty net, like empty net on that part, because I want to wear the wig as in a middle padding or as in side padding, so that is why I go in with it that long, you know. So it depends on how you want to wear the wig. So now guys, I'm just going in with sewing my bundles. So I start from the behind part, I take it and I sew it round. So guys, this video is very helpful for the broke girls. This is I think this is the second video on full week, broke girl full week, I think. Yeah, so for those who have not watched the other one, I'm just gonna link it down below, okay, so you can watch it and maybe you can learn something from it. So guys, I'm just going in with my sewing. As you can see, I'm making my way through. I'm doing some fast forward because the video is really quite longer, but I tried my best to like cut the video, okay. So please watch the video to the end for you to understand how I achieved the look you saw at the beginning of the video, okay. So yeah guys, so many people know how to sew already. So sewing is something that is very simple. You just follow the line, you just follow the line you're going in with, and if you got a pin, the pin will help you like to lay down the bundles for you to just follow the track easily and sew the bundles down, okay. So when sewing, you need these pins will really help you a lot. So guys, when you get at the end of your bundles, please do not catch your bundles, flip it over, okay. Just flip it over so you don't have shedding in your wig cap, okay. So but we're gonna get some cutting at the middle, at the line part, because we're gonna do something like invincible pattern, but we're gonna leave a little line in the middle so we can put our concealer there. So just watch the video till the end, please, so you can achieve the look. So guys, when you get here, you sew the hair on top of the net, like don't get into the closure, like the plain closure, do not sew on it, okay. You have to sew there when you're making your padding, okay. When you're into the padding, that's when you're going to sew on that place. So yeah guys, when you're sewing, you're just gonna continue doing the same thing and making your way back and front. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to fill this space. You just take it and you bring it right up to there, and you take it back and you take it the other way and you bring it back until you fill in the space that you got right there. So now guys, I'm done with that. I'm just showing you how I fill in the line. I already did the other side of the line. You link your needle to your bundles and you take it and attach it to the lace that you got down, you understand. So you link the two together before you link it to the lace that you got down, and you just try your best now to secure it down, to make it lay down flat, okay. So that's what I did, and when you're done with that, you just cut it and you make sure you secure the sew, because when you cut your hair, when you cut the bundles and you don't secure it, when you come in, you're gonna have a lot of shedding. So always make sure you secure it when you cut it, because in this line we got so much cutting. In all the lines that you see that I did on the other side, I cut each the same way. So that's what you're gonna do. So when you're done with that, you just do the same thing to the other one. So we're just gonna fill in all the space in the same method. And when you're doing that, please always make sure you don't give space, okay? Don't give space. The only space you're gonna give is at the middle, where you want the pattern to be, that's where you're gonna give space. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing, like I link the needle to the bundles, just the same method, just the same thing all over. So please, if it's your first time stopping by my channel, I'm called Anuras. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and please turn on your post notification bell on, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. So guys, we're just doing the same thing all over, like I'm just doing the same process all over. Okay, and please give my video a thumbs up if you love the video. Like if the video is helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you want to see how I style the wig on my hair, please just leave a comment down below and I will get to your requests. So I'm just going in now and securing the sew. You know, when you cut it, you always remember to secure it, because if you don't secure, you're gonna have a very big problem, you know, when coming. So now when you get at this point, you're just gonna take it round, like you're just gonna take it round to get that knot, to get that little knot on the hair, like in the middle part. You should get that little knot, and it should be an invisible knot. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it all around now, and please just watch. I didn't do any fast forward on this part because I think the part was very important. You know, it was very important for you to at least know how you can close it when you get at this point. So that is why I really just record it the way it was. The way I did it is the same way I recorded it, and I did not do anything like fast forward or like anything, you know. Yeah, so you're gonna use your thumb finger. You're gonna use your thumb finger like to put it into that space, like in the gap at the middle. You're gonna use your thumb finger, you understand, like to really get that knot on the middle. Look at what I'm doing. When I'm sewing, my finger, it's only there at the middle. It's there at the middle, like to give me that knot. Yeah, so when you're done, so I'm done with that, I'm just going in now and I cut the leftover that I got. I think that was the only one. I used 3 bundles and it was really quite enough, and I got just a little bit left, and I was really so tired, so I could not put it anywhere in the wig cap, so I just let it sit out. So now I'm just going in and securing my sew, you know. So when I'm done with that, I just cut my thread and I knot it, I think 4 to 5 times, and I cut the, that's it. So this is the hair without no closure. So I'm just going in now and I trace the line quite well, and I put my concealer, you know, I put my concealer, and this is the hair, guys. I mean, this hair was wonderful. A friend of mine came and she saw it, she was like, wow girl, this hair is gorgeous. I was like, baby, I know it's gorgeous. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you also very much.